You are my warm place.
Hey NiqueNation, Happy New Year! So it's your girl Jonique making it look unique, and in today's video, we are in the month of January. Yes, January. It's a new year, new day, new you, new endeavors, and new goals to accomplish. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a vision board. So if you don't know what a vision board is, it's basically you collecting variations of pictures and putting it on a poster board, pretty much forecasting what you want to see in that year. So majority of the pictures I did get are from Pinterest, and I'm going to show you how I map out what I want to see in 2021. So stay tuned for that video, as well as stay tuned for more featured videos I'm going to drop this year. I have a lot of creative content coming your way, from fashion, cooking, lifestyle, vlogs, and everything of that sort. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Follow me on Instagram at jo.taynique, on Snapchat at jo.taytay, and let's just get right into it. So for my inspiration of this board, I wanted to tune into changing my style of fashion, being open to trying different styles and critiquing mine as well. I want a new apartment. I want to know that it's okay to cry and it's okay to be happy, as well as financial freedom, as well as getting closer to God and traveling more. So that's what I want to speak into existence in 2021. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed making vision boards with me. I really enjoyed this moment just because it was just a wonderful time and a great bonding moment. I highly suggest that you do this with your friends, your family members, anything of that sort. And if you do want to create a vision board, comment down below and let me know and tag me on Instagram so I can repost it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.